So far from the contract details, 8 Kumasi Asante Kotoko players. A season it is confirmed say contract with Kumasi Asante Kotoko no so far yehwe nkrate mu no de yensaka no is subjected to private discussion and private extension of contract, but this survey is actually done through based on time players no assign omo contract no anytime renewals ebaye ene dey confirm me we nyina. So far ya gather 8 players at the end of this particular season no omo contract with Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebaye, including notable names Mukwala yenyina yenim, Richmond Lamte Kumasi Asante Kotoko yenyina yenim, Danlad Ibrahim Kumasi Asante Kotoko yenyina yenim. Sana football netie obeba obeko extend sana ye. So the first one which is in mind Mukwa goalkeeper of the side Danlad Ibrahim. Danlad the contract no osan but osaye renewal no ena ene ebeso at the end of the season no. Yes, and you know you be confirm yama ena infege de no so because infege na mbela ne buy na infege no ebo ni de eboni de wie te say the obo wie this season no, but embela de ye beto no so into wentima mo wie, but in fege at the end of this season on also the wie 2024 season be wie ya John Tereku and so one key player on also wie 2021 and to 2024 at the end of the season John Tereku Krobia Asante Kotoko fullback on also Ebewe and another fullback player friend Augustine Japan on also at the end of the season you know Ebewe. These players are me building no extension no me sure say possible with the exception of Mukwala and Richmond Lamta team nimpenye 4% nka omo extend no eno kra omo way out of the club. And player Sheriff Mohammed on also the contract now at the end of the season you yes, but only they likely say obeto aso asan Kotoko because I could prama Kotoko ahena ma no why dey matese ze kra dey utimi etru me kan kete into also dey no no. Then the goalkeeper from Cameroon Moise Poate on also the contract now sign no abewie at the end of this season 2023-2024 at the end of the season on also abewie on also renewal no ensheda eni mpanyefo adwemu ana say eni ono tirimu sa. Well, then Kotoko ono dey waboni 2 years no abewie wabo first season, second season obowie ya on any agent omo signing just signing on fee kese but about chose ono no ne bosumi akatwa ne ye ne bafu ma no na on tibi nkwa nti Kotoko no I understand say on the contract mu say Kotoko be extend ya just omo double na $2,000 no me say Kotoko ready to double, but bibia bit messy and a senior man na nkasa Richmond Lamtin. So the contract at the end of the season yina yenim ya ka nkofo bi sha asem pese obesan opese okwa abruchiri na okutwa dollars kakra ono so ede no. So far these 8 players and omo contract at the end of the season ebe we omo renew omo meko the details beba.